Then Dr. Manmohan Singh said, you are the representative of the center. This is the key word. In the state, and hence you bring a national perspective. मैं आपको ये स्टेटमेंट जानबूझ के क्यों समझा रहा हूं कि if a question is asked in a negative manner, do you think that he is the agent of the center? You don't have to agree with that. You have to say yes. He is the key person in center-state relations. He is the representative of the center in the state and brings a national perspective to that. Not that the center is imposing somebody on the head of the state government. Yes, to bring a national perspective to state level actions and activities. Are you able to understand this? This is a key case. We need to remember this. Rameshwar Prasad, आगे भी आएगा. A governor has been assigned the role of constitutional sentinel. What is sentinel? Sentinel is a soldier, like a watchdog. Soldier on the watch. So he has to keep, and he has the constitutional authority. ये अपने आप नहीं लगाया गया है. Constitution has placed him there to see that the state is run in as per the provisions of the Constitution. In our federation, because our federation is not like any other federation, where you leave the states to do whatever they want to do. USA में क्या है? Sort of, except for defense and what else? Yeah, foreign affairs. Everything is with the states, but not in our case. In our case, there has to be some watchdog, some neutral person, I'll say rather, who will have to ensure that the state governance is carried out as per the provisions of the Constitution. There is no violation of the Constitution. Otherwise, what he will do? He will send his report to the president. Or if president has other sources, even a report is not required. That we have already seen. But here we are looking at the role of the governor. A vital link between union and state. Okay? The key factor in center-state relation is the governor, who is a bridge between the union and the state. ये इसलिए क्योंकि आपको ये पूरा क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, नीचे आएगा डिस्कस, एल्यूसिडेट. ऐसे ही आता है ना, आप देख लो अपने क्वेश्चन उठा के. So that means you must have a thorough understanding of the position of the governor, federal structure, constitution, governance as per constitution, constitutionalism, limited governance. So all these factors should be there in your answer. तभी उसका वजन बढ़ेगा. नहीं तो फिर दूसरों की तरह ही चलेगा, फिर जो सीधा सीधा लिख देंगे. But you have to use, that will show your in-depth understanding of the system and also the position of governor.